Whoa, Thomas can really shred it. And this band practice is killing it. Okay, maybe a little too much.
Stupid rock music!
Bring us on home, Thomas! Yeah, belt it, dude!
Seriously? Maybe this song should be the last one. Sound like a plan, boys?
Whoa!
Okay, that's it.
Man, that felt awesome!
Is the world ending over here? What kind of music is that anyway? It's practically tearing this house apart! Clean it up, or that guitar's going in the trash! I mean it!
Rockers don't clean stuff. I can't even get the stupid lid off. Come on. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. My favorite black shirt's ruined. Whoa. Dude, that makes it even better. Lay down your shirt with something hard inside. Stick a cool stencil on the top. Then spray over it with bleach. It's already changing, see? Take the stencil off, and boom! You've got yourself a new tee. This shirt rocks so hard, bro! Yeah, mine does too!
That doesn't sound like cleaning to me!
Here you go. Oh, stop right there. Hand over that coat, please. Ah, gotcha. Huh? Oh, it's stuck. What? No, the piece just broke in half. Just gonna need another minute. Gah! Open! 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 Come on! Sorry, ladies. Gah! This zipper's gotta split. I swear, this has never happened before. Like, we're gonna be here till Christmas. Ah! Let's see, which color should I choose? Aha. Try using this. Oh, thank you. If your zipper breaks, use a paper clip. It worked. Phew. Please, take this stupid thing. See ya. Oh, come on, Key. Sweet. Hey, what's up, David? Bro fist bump for the win. Boom! Oh, hey, it's Ellie. And she wants to hang with me. I hope my hair's okay. Do I look all right? Now you do. Whoa!
Oh, my bad. Hey, where'd my coffee go? There it is.
Looks like I peed my pants, dude. Ellie can't see me like this. Bro, help me. Okay, I know what we can do. That was awful nice of you, David. I gotta go meet up with Ellie. Oh, these jeans are way too long on me. I don't know how to fix that. Oh, wait. My hair tie. Yes! To shorten pants, make a cuff. Then put the elastic in the middle of it. Fold down the top over the tie. Keep folding it down until the cuff is hidden. Looking good. Now I gotta go get my girl. I'd better go hide in the shadows somewhere. There it is, my brand new, beautiful hat. And not a speck of dirt is on it yet. Ah, just look how fly I look with this thing. Oh yeah, this is good. Be cool, be cool. Boo! Yeah! Oh man, your face! Hilarious. Dude, your new hat is sick. Think I can pull it off? Careful, it's new. Okay, can I have it back now? Wait! Brilliance has just entered my body. Try and catch this thing. No, please don't. Whoa! Oh, my bad, dude. Where's my hat? Is it okay? Oh no! It can't be! Oh, horror of horrors! My new hat is covered in someone else's gum! Oh man, look at that stain. Oh, yeah, that's pretty gross. Sorry. How am I supposed to clean this? Tough one. Wait, I know. Snag printed fabric and cut it to fit the brim of your hat. Using hot glue, cover the brim. Before it dries, stick the fabric on. Excess fabric? Just cut slits in it like this. Then put hot glue underneath the brim. Carefully fold the fabric onto the glue. Now, put glue on the rest of the brim. This way, you can cover it with matching fabric. Pretty neat, huh? Is it just me? Or does this thing look better than before? Yep, this hat's truly one of a kind awesome. Ah, this salad's gonna be so good. Especially 'cause I'm packing it with cheese. Whoa! Mother, may I? Ah, get your grubby hands out of there. You're mean. It'll be ready in 5 minutes. Cool it. All that huffing and puffing caused a quake. No, not the cookies! Whoa! Hey. Oh, that was a close call. I'm pretty proud of myself. Huh? Oh, looks like my jeans didn't fare so well. I just bought these. This grater may just fix everything. Have rips in your jeans? If you cut them a bit more, you can use a grater to distress them. How'd they turn out, Thomas? Crunch-tastic, I'd say. Who knew graters were so versatile? And to think I almost stayed home tonight. Ow! Hey, watch your giant feet, dude. Whatever. What? Way to be a jerk. Ow! Hey! What's with people tonight? Ouch! Hey! Watch it! Oh, my poor innocent foot. I should have worn steel-toe boots. It really hurts. Wait, is that soda water? I could use some of this. In a bowl, mix soda water, peroxide, and a spoonful of baking soda. Once it's stirred, drop in a pair of shoelaces. Wring them out, and you're done. Oh, hey, dude. Where'd you find laces like that? No one's gonna overlook these feet again. You've got some serious style, bro.
My nails could use a little love. Hey, Lizzie. You actually got tickets? We're so gonna rock out! Wah! 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 Let's do it! But you're not gonna wear that, are you? Give me 1 sec. gotta have something edgier in here. This doesn't really say heavy metal. Nope. Isn't there any back in here? Ah! Ooh! This could work. Isn't it perfect?
You really need to go shopping.
What's with the giant rib? How did this even get here? Oh, this is the only thing I can wear. Unless... perhaps a little mixing and matching is in order. Things are finally looking up. Have a jacket with multiple tears? Yikes! Cut a square out of the jacket, around where the tear is. Turn the jacket over, and do the same around the other tear. Now snag that other fabric, and cut pieces in the same shape of what you just cut. Remove the excess pieces. Now place the fabric over the holes. And use fabric glue to secure it. Tuck it in with the glue facing up. Don't forget about the back. You guys ready to get your faces melted? Definitely looking good.
Let's listen to that band shred. Oh, it starts in 20 minutes.
Player 1, select your fighter. Thomas, now it's your turn. Player 2, Brian, it's time for battle, folks.
Think that hat's gonna help you?
I'm so cool with my cheap shades.
That all you got?
You ready for some fighting?
Round 1, fight.
Thomas is not afraid to throw a punch. Think Brian can block him? That was pretty intense. Look at Brian go! Nice save, Thomas. And just like that, Brian got teddy bear. Sucker.
Dude, seriously? Oh, I'm really angry now.
This one's my favorite. You're gonna pay for this.
Oh, geez, please don't cry. I think I know how to fix it.
Huh? That's quite a stain there. Try covering it with red paint. Follow this pattern all around the brim. Use small, steady strokes like this. Then add another, thinner layer. Keep adding different colors. Use black to make these accents. Does this look familiar to you?
Dude, enough with the tears, Brian.
Is that my same hat?
Try it on.
How did you know I love watermelon?
Aw, that's real friendship. Well, that ending was unexpected.
Where'd you get this game, man? Stop it right there. Go on in. No ugly outfits in my club.
Still room in there? I'm itching to get my dance on. Nice to meet ya. Not a big talker. Got it.
What do you think you're doing? You're not going in there. Not in... no. That.
Wait here. Rawr. These paws are ready for dancing.
Uh-huh. Nope.
Fine. Is this outfit fabulous enough for ya? Why? This is as cool as it's gonna get.
On second thought, those jeans have got to go.
I can't catch a break. Can I go in? Are those chopsticks? Wait a second. Take a regular pair of jeans and direct your focus down here. Then take 2 chopsticks and turn them so they're horizontal. Pinch and secure with the rubber band. A few loops ought to do it. Phew, that was a lot of work. Fill a big container with water and squish the jeans inside. Make sure they're completely submerged. Now, it's time for some bleach. Carefully and slowly, pour in your bleach solution. Now, Just wait for the magic to happen. Think the club can handle all this?
Where did you get those?
I just had them lying around, you know.
You have a fantastic evening. I gotta go shopping after my shift. Actually, I'll just head to the mall now. Oh, I can't believe they're finally here. My dream tennis shoes. They're even better than I dreamed. I'm gonna wear these everywhere. What next?
Thomas sure looks excited. Probably because he's rocking fresh kicks.
Check these out, Brian. Aren't these shoes the coolest?
What's that? Yep, they're shoes, Thomas.
Not just any shoes, Brian.
Seriously? This must be what fatherhood feels like.
Want to hold them? No?
Ah, jeez. Thomas has officially lost it.
You guys liking your little walk?
What's wrong with my shoes? They're kind of plain, huh? I guess I could jazz them up. I am an artist after all. See these plain white shoes? Before you begin, take out the laces. Then take some painter's tape and put it here and on the soles. Make sure it's nice and secure. It should end up like this. Now for the messy part of the experiment. Time to get to painting, people! Start by spraying a color into a large container of water. Then add another color right on top. Keep going and never mix the water. The colors should be still like this. Now slowly dip the shoe in the water. Hold it as steadily as you can. Hold it there for a few seconds. Then lift it back out of the water. Cool! Once it's dry, start peeling back all the tape. Careful not to ruin the paint job. Pretty satisfying, isn't it? There you go. Let's see it. Talk about a one-of-a-kind shoe. Check out these bad boys. Bet you can't find these in stores.
Hey, you want to trade kicks?
No way, dude. You want to make your own pair?
Thanks. Well, I gotta put these back on.
This colored glue's pretty cool. Not too shabby, huh?
Oh, what a waste of time. I, however, am off to work. When on earth did this happen? Look at all this string. It just keeps going and going. Seriously? This hole's the size of Alabama. Oh, I can't believe this.
Care to explain what's on my head?
It's this hole. I wonder if I can fashion something.
It's just a little hole, right? I wonder if I can fashion something. Lay the jacket down and form a yellow circle around it. Careful. Perfect. Now fill it in so that it's solid. Be patient. It may take a minute. And the hole's officially covered. Use black to make a little face. He's pretty cute, huh?
This was brilliant, Brian. You totally saved the day.
It's awesome!
See ya.
These clothing hacks sure come in handy in a jam. Which one do you think you'll try first? Be sure to share this video with your friends so they can save themselves a serious fashion headache. Have you clicked on these yet? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on the fun.